You see the brood. And then where I'm looking, if you just go left, but it's in the center, there's a whole bunch of little birds.
This is a serious scoper.
Like there's a raft of them right up the middle.
One at each hand.
Also uses
There's
this
a
as a
whole
defense
raft of them in there. Tell me what you see. They look little
I can't,
and dark. Like,
Oh, yeah,
like maybe white-winged scoters or something.
identify a black
But
scoter.
they look
So
little.
there it's a plain.
Don't they look little?
Yeah.
Yeah?
The old squaw, you have to really
I just
Kind
know
of
we had it to look at it.
hard.
the white and the black. You see
Long
that?
ways away. Yeah, I can see in the middle of the plug there are several things along the
That must be where all the fish are, though.
Yeah, I get that.
Right up the middle.
No,
It's like
the whole works.
There's goldeneye in there.
So I only had one in the screen.
yeah.
The little guys, yeah.
Those little guys, eh? Just little black.
Another Bonaparte just went flying through the screen here.
Yeah.
Oh, surf scoters in there.
Oh, okay.
If you look there,
Yeah.
the white in the back of the head, there's some surf scoters there, and
Oh, yeah.
probably black scoters mixed in with that too.
Yeah. They're coming in closer.
There's one flock out there.
It's because it's used less.
Wow.
That one is a surf scotter you got
Is that a
here.
surf?
Oh, that's wonderful.
Yeah, that's in the scope right here.
That's the white one, eh?
The surf scotter, yeah. The male.
Thank you.
Yeah?
Thank you, Nancy. Oh, yeah. See?
So you got a surf here?
Yeah.
Right.
Well, I
Times of year that you could get
It's true.
like a Jaeger following the gulls.
They found the Navy Falls over the Falls. So Jaeger is like a serious hunter, serious hunter.
Sort of like the water
If you're going to find one, let's make
They're
it.
like the water
Omni,
shark,
right?
exactly.
Had that in June of about 7, 8 years ago. I couldn't get the smile off my face when Chris came out on that one.
Well, you were on this
You
trip last
should
year.
pull one
No,
out.
I've never been on this trip. What are all those little guys out there?
Well, talk to my friend Manson over here.
Does he think
Surf
they're scoters?
scoter, goldeneye.
Yeah, I think.
The golden eyes are that.
Have you still got them in your scope
He's
there?
got them.
Yeah, there's the.
They have merganser heads.
They got
as well.
merganser heads. They got the.
But are they common or are they?
July to October.
Yeah,
Oh, they're gone.
they'll be back.
No, I said no. I think I don't want to wreck it too much. I think they're
Is it
behind the tree
the
right
white
now.
under the?
Well, it's because it's this thing here, the blended, on the red. That's
tail
the rest of it. Yeah.
versus the white
Mhm.
throat, basically.
Yeah. And you get more. You see more of the crest, eh?
Well, they
On
were
the-
pretty cresty.
Yeah, they were very
they're
crusty, but
the
it's
one on
windy.
the right was
And the
really
wind was
crusty.
blowing their hair from the back.
So
I was looking at it, and it does that breeding
That's
thing.
what I said. I
eh?
looked up and said, "That's a
It-
hoodie."
His head, it went, woo, big white spread.
It's a hoodie.
Because the white on a
yeah,
ruddy
you
duck
can see
isn't
it,
as
yeah.
big as the white of a
Yeah, that's
hoodie.
right. This was huge.
Because it's just behind the eye, like that was the back of the head. No,
Don't say that.
no, ruddy duck. I like it when you're calling for a ruddy duck, not the snow.
Start with an R and roll it.
What do you think the odds are, Robbie?
might